Hi everyone, Matt here from Easy Prep UK. So now you need to install your Easy FBA Calculator. So you can get it from the extension store on Chrome. So just do that. Okay, when you get there, just type in Easy FBA Calculator. It's that one there with that logo. Press add to Chrome, add extension. Lovely. That's now added to your Chrome browser. So now if you just go to amazon.co.uk, pick any sort of toy, cars toy, or any product page you want to do. It doesn't just work on toys, it works on most categories I've tried. So go here, pick any product page, and then you'll see this box that says enter your license key. You should have already been sent your license key when you signed up. It can take up to 24 hours, but if you haven't got your license, just email us here, info@easyprepuk.com. Then once you've got it, pop it in here, validate, and it's now active. Just make sure when you first use it, I'll just say it once again, go into settings and set the VAT rate at 20. Whether you're VAT registered or not VAT registered, you still need to set that. Once you set that, you're good to go. It will work properly. And then you can just change VAT registered or not VAT registered. You want to do EFM fees or just UK. And if you have any questions, just let us know. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.